As you enter, you'll see the beautiful staircase that goes to the upper level. To the left is the office space that could have doors if you wanted a more private area. The floor is bamboo, and it is newer. This is the dining area, so you could have your formal dining area here. It's a nice large window. As you come around, there are French doors going into the kitchen area. There's a half bath. Down the hall is the laundry room, and that affords a nice area for storage as well as laundry, and then your garage. As we come into the kitchen, you'll see the beautiful granite countertops, lots of extra space, the wine bar and fridge. The floors are tiled. This is a nice dining area, lots of natural light. And in the kitchen you have a beautiful array of cabinetry, your solid surface sink, tile backsplash, all the appliances, and they are built in. From here, you come into the living area with your gas log fireplace, really nice windows, soaring ceilings, ceiling fan. You have extra built-ins as well. And this, of course, comes back around to your entryway. To the right, you would have the primary bedroom. And this room is very large, has vaulted ceilings, lots of space to have any extra furniture. You have his and hers closets, as well as the primary bathroom. And that is tiled floors as well. You come back out and into the hallway. Pardon the pity patter of my footsteps. And we'll take these stairs to the second level. And on the second level, we have three full baths as well as three bedrooms as well as 2 full baths. And this will be your first full bathroom. And then your guest bedroom. Down the hall, we'll find the other full bath. Double vanity. And here you have another beautiful bedroom. Great little closet space as well. And we'll take a quick peek in there. So this is a walk-in. On the opposite side, we have the additional bedroom. This is a really nice space, quite large, and another walk-in closet.